Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. In one of my classes this morning, we ended up talking about the way in which big multinational firms like Amazon often get out of paying tax in countries where they're making huge profits. For example, here in the UK, Amazon have got a very elaborate tax avoidance scheme going on, despite the fact that they make colossal profits in the UK. One of my students asked me how this could happen, how this could be the case. And obviously, I'm not a dodgy accountant. I don't work for Amazon, so I don't know the ins and outs of the actual process. But at the same time, I didn't want to seem like a complete idiot. So I said, they have ways and means. If you say there are ways and means, it basically means there are methods and techniques that can be used to make things happen. So, if you've ever wondered how people can get hold of drugs, or even guns or telephones when they're inside prison, there are ways and means. And obviously, with modern computer technology, people working on their own at home have the ways and means of producing professional-looking documents, for example. You sometimes also see this phrase used in advertising. So you might see an advert on social media, for example, for a course offering self-help techniques that will teach you the ways and means of feeling better and feeling brighter. And maybe if you don't like the way someone's done something, for example, maybe someone has slagged off someone else's painting or music or writing or teaching, you might give them a bit of a bollocking by saying, listen, I don't like the way you did that. There are ways and means of doing these things. Don't do it like that again in future. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use ways and means.